Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Fake KJ and today I got a vid for y'all showing this awesome perk called Lone Survivor. And what it does is that whenever you're the last victim alive, you will receive a 20% bonus to max health and stamina. It also increases the amount of time family members will be highlighted by 30 seconds. So without further ado, let's get into the game. Alright, first game on the gas station. So what I'm really finna be doing, just trying to help with the others escape so I can activate this perk. I think we got a Connie, Leland, Anna, and I was about to say Virginia, but yeah, she's dead. Let's see. Oh, duh, me. I'll just take my time with this. Yep. You can get that if you want, Anna. I'm gonna just open this up. Okay, we rushing. Oh yeah, yes sir. Fast hands coming in clutch. Come on. I'm gonna go grab another tool too. Actually, I'm only getting one because I'm scared Johnny's gonna appear behind me. Yup, I hear someone up there though. I don't got my ability yet, so I'm just gonna go up this way. Check behind me. Oh yeah, we good, we good. Let's go. And yeah, I'm getting out of here now. Actually, let me get 2 more toolboxes. And then I'm gonna go. I'm gonna head for the battery gate. Nice, nice. Yeah, time to make plays. Wait, is that Cook? What's he doing? Shoot, I gotta hide. That Nancy? Okay, no one's here. I would take that valve. Oh, shit.
Oh, you ain't getting away. I'm keeping you.
What the? Bro, stop swinging in bushes. Alright, yeah, you go that way. I'm gonna go this way. You just don't give up. Come on now. No.
They're still here.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, yes, sir. No Cook padlock.
That seems quiet.
I'm risking it, though. Let's go.
I got this.
Oh, yeah. I'm cool. I'm taking this one, too, because I'm also going to do the valve. Because why not? Oh, man. Leland's not making it. Dang. Shoot. Oh, shoot. Okay. okay. Let's go. Yep.
Okay.
I love Sonny's ability, man. Like, look at this.
Are they?
He doesn't even know I left.
I can do this.
Now I'm gonna go put this valve on the tank. Shoot, I forgot about the Cook.
I got this.
Is he outside? He is outside. Freak. Yup.
Is this a way out?
Yup. Ah, yes, sir. Okay. Yep. Oh. She got barbed wires there. Give me that fuse.
Okay.
Johnny's gonna camp battery. That's cool. That's actually fine. I just need to get some heals. No. Cook is... Wait, where did Cook go? Actually, is this even open? Yes, sir. Quick mask, quick mask. Let's go. I'm not gonna escape yet.
Damn these freaks.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, let's go. We're going straight to battery, y'all. I don't care if Nancy sends me. The gate's already off. I don't care. Look at this, y'all. Look at this.
Are they?
Oh yeah.
Are they gone?
We making it. We making it. We making it. Cause guess what? Yup. And you can use his ability too. Like they still highlighted. Like look at that, y'all. They're still highlighted. I'm already gone, bro. I'm already gone. You know what? I'm gonna heal up too, cause why not? Bro, my heart's racing right now. Y'all, they're still highlighted. Nah, bro. Hey, GG, man. GG, y'all. Let's go. I would troll, but like, nah, I don't want to do that. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more.